This is John Watts. I'm an Alabama consumer protection attorney, and today we're going to answer a question about I live in Alabama, I was sued by a debt collector, and I won at trial. Now what happens? Well, first of all, congratulations. So many people do nothing. You took action, you answered the lawsuit, you showed up at trial, and you won. So that's wonderful. Now is the time to finish that good work that you started. So some might think, well, I won, so it's over. No, you're about halfway there. Now you need to finish it. So what I suggest you do is you look into suing the debt collector who sued you. It's not always appropriate. You do not always have the option to sue, but often you have the option to sue. So, for example, was there false credit reporting? So, if Midland Funding or Portfolio Recovery or whoever the debt collector is, did they credit report that you owe $5,000? And then they sued you for $5,000. And then a judge said, you do not owe $5,000. Sounds like false credit reporting. And so you can sue under that in many situations. Did they claim that you owed the money when you really did not owe the money? Okay. So sometimes you can win on a defense that maybe something like statute of limitations. And that does not mean you never owed the debt. It just means they took too long to sue. But normally when you win these cases, you're winning them because the debt collector cannot or will not, doesn't really matter, cannot or will not prove it owns the debt. So they said you owe $5,000. They wrote you letters, they called you, they credit reported, they sued you, said you owed $5,000, and you really owed them zero. So that may be another claim. And then, did the collector even show up at trial? Now, I'm not talking about their lawyer. Their lawyer will show up. But did somebody from Portfolio or Midland or LVNV, Asset Acceptance, did they show up at trial? Normally, the answer is no. Well, if they did not show up at trial and they had no proof, then why'd they sue you? What is this all about? Well, what we find out is a lot of times this is just what has often been called a shakedown trial. It's just somebody trying to extort money out of you. And we believe that that violates the law. So there's a number of laws at play. There's the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the FDCPA. There's the Fair Credit Reporting Act. There is Alabama law called malicious prosecutions, when you sue somebody and you have no basis to do so. All different laws, and we file these lawsuits every single month in federal court against debt collectors. So if you have any questions, get in touch with us. We'll look at your situation. There's no charge for it. We'll look at your situation, tell you what laws that we think apply, and whether it makes sense for you to sue that debt collector. So our phone number is 205-879-2447. You can go to alabamaconsumer.com. There's a contact us button there. If you maybe are not ready to contact us, but you just want to ask a question, you can always do that below this video or through our website. Now, if it's getting into specific information, that's probably better done privately through a phone call or email. But however we can help you, we'll be glad to do so. I appreciate you watching this video. And again, hey, you won your lawsuit. Congratulations. And if we can help you in any way, just give us a call, 205-879-2447 or alabamaconsumer.com. And we'll look forward to chatting with you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.